Spirit Data Capture provide enterprise mobility solutions for the Francis Crick Institute.
My name's Andy Steele. I'm the Logistics Manager for the Francis Crick Institute. So the Francis Crick Institute, it consists of 6 partners. So the Wellcome Trust, the Medical Research Council, the Cancer Research UK, and then the 3 higher educational institutes, Imperial, King's and UCL. And they've come together to build this amazing building which will hopefully advance science and help speed up the breakthroughs in discoveries by encouraging collaboration between scientists. In a building of this size, which is close to 1 million square feet, spread over 12 floors, there are a lot of challenges regarding the control of packages coming into the building and also moving around. So some of the items that we receive are so important that tracking them and being able to prove that they've been delivered and actually getting them to the end scientist in a building of this size and complexity is key. Therefore, we needed to procure a system that would work for this brand new building. The design process involved workshops which Spirit came to the Crick to host, and that brought together a number of stakeholders from around the organisation that were going to be either users of the system or be benefiting from the system in some way. Spirit did a fantastic job of hosting those workshops and actually helping us to define what our requirements were. And Spirit had a very good way of drawing that out from us and helping us to find exactly what was the right product for this building. We were looking for a system that would assist with the goods receipting process and then allow us to track packages that were moving around within the building. And through the workshops we discovered that we were able to potentially modify the system to help us with stock control. We go through on average 7,000 packages per month coming into the building through the Spirit system. Zebra has also benefited the project by providing the devices and the printers which allow us to use Mobile Connect within this building in the most effective way. The handheld terminals are being used in the Crick to receive packages on the inbound process, record any quality checks that we can perform, capture any errors in terms of the photographing of damaged packages. And they're also used to do what we call the change of custody, which is the handover point from my team in logistics to the lab operations team who take control of the packages when they reach the laboratory floors. So we're using the devices to record those inbound movements. The other features of Mobile Connect that we found extremely useful are the change of custody signature, so capturing an electronic signature, and we also have the ability to print and record the surname. So for audit end-to-end trail, that's helped us massively. So the ability to photograph deliveries or packages at any stage in the process and capture that within Mobile Connect system it has proved very valuable to us. When our packages arrive, they're sorted by quadrants into floors. So on each of these laboratory floors, there are 4 quadrants, and we deliver packages to each quadrant. So the system helps us track where those packages are supposed to go to. So the Spirit system can read the barcode which is embedded with that key information of destination, purchase order, the line item and the quantity. And Spirit devices are able to read that, and we're able to use that to actually do the end-to-end delivery. So the scientists have guarantees that their packages are going to reach them and that they have complete control. SOTI remote management is very important to the Crick because the access to the building is quite tight because of our security. Getting people into the building and getting access for people to come in at different times is quite challenging. The SOTI remote gives us the option to resolve challenges, update the software and resolve any issues with the devices remotely, which is beneficial, particularly as we're quite strict on the operating hours as well. By introducing the Spirit system, we've been able to improve the reliability and the accuracy of the deliveries, as well as speed up the receiving process. The support we've received from Spirit throughout the project has been first class. So from the workshop, the early stage design, helping us capture the full requirements and record those, which then went into the design of the product. So we took what was essentially the building blocks that Spirit had on the Mobile Connect side, and were able to bespoke that with Spirit's help to suit the specific needs of the Crick. I'd recommend Spirit for many reasons, and primarily is their ability to work with you to bespoke a system that suits your needs. Some companies come to you and say, this is our product, take it or leave it. This is what you've got. Spirit were very engaging with us from the early stages to help us find what was going to be right for us. And their ability to be flexible and adaptable throughout is a real core strength. Allow Spirit to help you find your actual requirements, because you might believe you know what you want, but only by exploring it through the workshops and through collaboration will you actually find the system that works for you. So do not go in with fixed ideas, keep an open mind, and Spirit are absolutely brilliant at helping you, guide you to where you need to be to fit all of the demands that your business has. The support has been amazing, the feedback we've had from the directors of the organisation has been positive as well, and everybody sees this as a successful project that was not only delivered on time, but it was delivered within budget.